Well, good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather. Wanted to provide you a quick forecast update. Snow is moving into the region. Portions of us are now underneath of a winter weather advisory. This will begin at 7 p.m. tonight and go through about 3 a.m. And you can see as we look at our local radar here, you can see the beginnings of that band coming in. Counties shaded here in purple are under the winter weather advisory. So Du Bois, Orange, Crawford, Washington, Harrison, Floyd, Clark, Scott, and Jefferson officially underneath of the advisory tonight. Now, whether or not you have an official advisory out or not, regardless, it's all going to be affecting us. So just understand that roads could get a little bit difficult tonight. Radar in motion, you can see here as well with the satellite. The clouds are thickening up across the area, and there's that snow up to our north. It is accumulating. In fact, 1 to 2, even 3-inch totals are pretty common up there. It will weaken as it starts to come into our region just a little bit, but a good inch or so is certainly possible tonight as this band starts to move in. So let's time it out very quickly here on Future Radar. First off, there is the winter weather advisory issued by the National Weather Service in Louisville, and again, it goes from 7 p.m. tonight until 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. And basically what they're saying is occasionally moderate snow until just after midnight. Accumulations up to an inch is what they're thinking. Snow will fall heavily enough at times to quickly cover roadways. So bottom line, if you're out tonight, use some caution. Let's quickly look here at Future Radar. Here's right about where we are right now. Here's the HER model. It's the highest res model that we have. You can see that snow band there, and this is valid at 5 p.m. As we put this into motion, here's 6 p.m., 7 p.m. You start to see that move in just a little bit towards the area. Possibly might mix with a few sprinkles or light showers or drizzle here at the very beginning because we're so warm. In fact, as we look at this, temperatures 46, even 50 in the Evansville area, but notice how quickly the temperatures are falling. 46 here in Huntingburg Airport, 42 up in Daviess County, 32 up here just north of Vincennes. So as the Arctic cold front rushes in, folks, it's going to be falling temperatures very fast. So here we are by 7 p.m. You can see that moving into our area. Here's high res radar for 8 p.m., 9 p.m., and then finally here's 10 p.m. starting to move out of the area. By 11 p.m., it is clear of the state, according to the HER model. That might speed things out of here just a little too fast. We'll have to see. But accumulations not too big with this. The HER model thinks really a dusting up to a half an inch or so would be possible around the area. So certainly not nothing major here. But with if it does start out a little bit of rain or some drizzle at the start, potentially in some locations, and then that flash freezes as the temperatures fall very quickly, with light glaze of snow on top of that, things could get pretty slick tonight, especially on untreated surfaces. Keep that in mind as we take a look at temperatures. Again, we're in the mid 40s around the area right now, but you can see that cold front as it plows in. As I put the temperatures into motion here, watch how quickly we fall tonight. By 7 p.m., we're all down into the 30s, and then very quickly by 8, the snow is right over us and is starting to stick a little bit. By 8 p.m., we're all below freezing, and look how quickly we fall down into the 20s as we go through here, so that really by the time we get into the overnight hours, we are already in the teens to our north and low 20s here along the river. By 1 a.m., we're going to go down to a low temperature tonight between 10 and 15 degrees up here for our northern half, and counties along the river between, say around 15 or so. It's going to be a pretty cold night out there. So certainly brine on the roads works usually down to about 15 degrees, so we're going to be pushing the limit tonight, folks. Could be a messy commute on Thursday morning, so keep that in mind. Again, snow is moving in. Winter weather advisory now in effect for at least some of our counties. Other counties may be issued, may not, but regardless of whether it is tonight, just know, folks, we've got this coming our way. Clouds are thickening in, temperatures are going to fall pretty rapidly, and snow is on its way. So if you can stay home tonight, probably best to just be on the safe side. All right, that is it for this video update. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great night. Stay safe, folks, and be sure to keep it tuned here to Southern Indiana Weather on Facebook and on Twitter for updates throughout the evening.